Hey everybody, so I just got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and channel monetization took about 3 days. So once you actually get to the 1,000 subs that YouTube requires, they require a AdSense approval and then an automatic channel review, which I think is all automated by YouTube. But there are delays because of COVID that are up to 2 weeks or more, but mine was about 3 days. I was actually going to post a video about how long it takes, but looks like they got it approved. So I got a note that said you're approved, congratulations. So it gives you this channel focus that you look at now. So you have AdSense, so I set that up. And then it has see agreements, and then it has you can leave, but I'm not going to actually leave because I want this. So anyway, once you look at your channel and if you're approved for monetization, you want to go to your content. And I have a bunch of videos, so I'm going to go through and actually you have to set your content to monetization on. So once you get into your account, you just set on monetization like so, and your videos are monetized. Now I want to do this as quickly as possible because I want to start, getting some dollars and cents for these videos. But what I wanted to say, when people look at YouTube and they say, oh, you're posting a video and you're just trying to make money. I haven't made any money on this, obviously, because I'm just getting monetized. I would like to invest in possibly hardware configuration, maybe a better computer. I'm not really there yet, but my interest is reinvesting in the channel so I can actually possibly consider my options in terms of products. But I'm still a little ways off. I've got a usable hardware situation right now, but my interest is getting as much equipment set up or money so that I can maybe experiment with different games, experiment with different hardware, just do all that kind of stuff. But long story short, it took about 3 days for this to take place, and I'm pretty excited, so we'll see how it goes. But once you have this set up, I'm going to check back tomorrow and see if it actually starts accruing money or aggregating money. But as for right now, just wanted to let you all know it took under a week. So once you hit the 1,000 subscribers, YouTube automatically kicks off the process. Check your email. So I've got an email set up for this account, and then I monitored that email. Went through the steps. It was automated. I have pretty high hopes that I'll keep growing here, and I've gotten some pretty good feedback from folks. I think the only thing right now is I may cool it on checking my comments as much as I am, because it's just a lot of work to get through the comments. But anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, and I'll keep you posted on the progress for anybody looking to monetize their channel. But otherwise, have a great day.